to Big Mike. Coming back to you with another video. It's snowing today. Wow. Yeah, I came up with a new system to get your application processed even quicker. So you want to check that out. Inbox me for that info. And that's it. I just want to give a shout out to everyone that been leaving comments and subscribing to the channel. So yeah, shout out to everybody who's taking action and being successful. And just continue to work and you will succeed. You will be successful. Don't give up. That's it for now. Big Mike, I'm out. Peace.